how to upload videos on YouTube. Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to upload videos on YouTube channel. So first, let's get started. First, all you have to do is to go on your YouTube. You must have to create your YouTube channel. Like over here on the top corner, you will see my YouTube channel. It's very easy to sign up with that. That's my channel, like Roman Vlog. That's my current channel of my YouTube. So I'm gonna show you how to upload a video on your YouTube channel. On the left side you will see a lot of different options like trending, music, gaming, news, sport. I see option of settings. So we have to upload the video, so you have to go on Creator Studio. Just simply click on that Creator Studio. You will get a new landing page like this is your channel dashboard, my channel, my channel name, my profile photo. You will see my channel dashboard. So we have to upload the video. Just you will see options here, upload video. Just simply click on that and select files over here. Just you have get on video, like I'm gonna choose that one over here. Just simply click on open and you will see like this, and on the bottom you will see this is uploading, like it is gonna be damn. So meanwhile I'm gonna the make them all these things. Like first you have to make descriptions, like this is my description. You have to, and you will also have to go on your thumbnail, like your video thumbnail. You have to just simply click on upload and you will get that thumbnail whatever you want. On the top, on the bottom, you will see a playlist. You can also go and create your playlist to your YouTube channel, to your video, and you will say like it's you got two options here, like it's yes it's made for kids and it's not made for kids, whatever you want. Like it's, if it's obviously made for a kid, click on yes, and if it's not, just click on no. And if you check, it will also get your option of age restriction. This is not necessary over there. So once you can, you will simply click on next. Oh, which is for that one, like. And so over here, like video elements, you have to see the two options here, like add an end screen. Like over here, just simply click on next. We are not going to use that one, so skip that part. So these are all the checking options. Simply click on next, and there we go. Visibility, save or public, private. On the, if you want to private that video, not wanted to share anyone, is completely on private. If you go with the public, on the public basically click on public. And this is schedule pay. You it's not necessary as well. You have a schedule the payment, set premium, but simply click on that. And you have, if you want the payment video, I'm not gonna go with that one. So you also go with the premier. So you will see like there, this is almost still processing. It's not complete, like it's 33%. It's got after over 3 minutes ago over here. So once it's processed, just complete or click on schedule on the next button, on the upload button. You will see like publish. Like I will go with that one, like it saves already. If you have to schedule the video, you can schedule as well. And if you're not scheduled, you have to publish right now. When the processing is done, once it's processed, just completely on publish, and then you got your video published on your YouTube channel. So this is how you can upload videos on your YouTube. So make sure you like that video, and I will catch you on the next video, and bye bye.